To me, Women's History Month means celebrating all of the women that came before me. It allows us to recognize how far we've come, and it allows you to see, that we didn't have a lot of the opportunities that we used to have. We weren't able to vote, we weren't able to serve in the military, and now, I can vote, and I'm allowed to have the job that I have, and I have all of these opportunities that I might not have had if it weren't for the women that came before me and all of the hard work that they did. I don't think I've been treated differently in my experience in the military, and I think I'm really lucky to say that because I was apprehensive coming in that maybe I would be, because when you think of the military, you do think of more of a man's culture, but coming in here, I haven't experienced anything like that, any gender inequality, any sexism, which is amazing to say. They expect the same from you no matter if you're a female or a male, it doesn't matter to them. They expect you to perform the same no matter what, which I appreciate because I think we should all be held to the same standard. When I see that our med group commander is a female, it's definitely inspiring. Seeing the way that she carries herself and the way that she speaks to others and the authority that she presents and the power that she holds and just the way she carries it is very inspiring, and it's encouraging to see that, I could potentially use something like that if I wanted to.